Assalamualaikum and good morning to Dr. Uka. Today, we will present our final project for virtual reality technology. This is our group members. First, Muhammad Fikri Ariff bin Muhammad Fauzi, Amira Syafiqah binti Azman, and Rooban anak lelaki Sakthi Saravanan. For our SDG topic is Goal 13 Climate Action. There is no country that is not experiencing the drastic effect of climate change. Furthermore, global warming is causing long-lasting changes to our climate system, which threaten irreversible consequences if we do not act. For our project is about open burning of forests that can cause global warming. The goal of our project is to create awareness of factors that causes global warming around the world. For our objective are first, to prevent global warming as a result of human activities. Second, to control human activities that contribute toward the environment. Lastly, to increase public awareness about the state of our goal. How user represented in virtual environment. The user represent as people and wearing 3D VR box headset that can allow them to work around and can extinguish the open fire. How user represented in virtual environment. User can interact with object by gaze using pointer and player have a gaze also for manual interaction. Lastly, what user can experience from our virtual environment. User can experience by extinguish the open burning. We also had created 5 models for our project, which are grass, elephant, cloud, lake, and tree. Next, let's see how we create our virtual environment and we will demonstrate it from Unity and APK. So, let's watch.
Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Ulka. So the first interface of the app is we must press the start button and then the user need to look at the start button and then they will proceed into the next scene.
This is how animation for the elephant was done by creating keyframes for every movement the elephant moves. Here is where there are two fire extinguishers. One is in front of the player and another one is at the other place. The one in front of the player is for replacing with the other fire extinguisher that the player will pick up in the situation from the back of the fire brigade. This is the fire extinguisher smoke. This was done by particle system by configuring the emission, start color, shape and the rate over time with the speed. And same method used for the water spray from the fire brigade by changing the color and the amount of particles. Box colliders is created for every objects in the scene for the player not to go into the objects when he walks. This is the shoot script being assigned to the FPS, the amount of damage, range, the smoke out from the fire extinguisher. When R1 is pressed on the controller, the smoke will be sprayed out of the nozzle. This is the pickup script to pick up the fire extinguisher. Here, when the player hits the fire extinguisher box collider and press B, the fire extinguisher will be picked up. This is the target script for the fire particles. When the smoke out from the fire extinguisher hits the fire box collider, the fire game object will be destroyed. This is the smoke particle system. This is where sounds has been inserted, the fire crackling sound, the swipe sound for the fire extinguisher when it is pressed, and the elephant sound. This is where the swipe sound has been assigned to the fire extinguisher. This is where the fire extinguishers are configured which to be picked in the situation. This is how the fireman's position is changed as he holds the fire extinguisher.